Hello guys, in this video let's deploy our web app in Azure App Service. So we will create ASP.NET Core web app in Visual Studio and we will deploy it in App Service, and then we will run this app in App Service. And now let's go to the Visual Studio. So guys, we are in Visual Studio and here let's say create a new project. Let's select this ASP.NET Core web app. Next, let's give name to our project. So I will say our great HR app. Next, let's unselect this configure for HTTPS and here I will say create. Now guys, our project is ready. So let's close this. Let's go to this views folder. Let's expand home and let's open this file, that is index.cshtml. And here I will say welcome to our HR app. Let's save. And now guys, we want to deploy this project in Azure App Service. Okay, so right click on this project, that is our great HR app, and here let's say publish. Now we want to publish it in Azure, so let's select it. Next, we want to publish it in Azure App Service operating system Windows, so let's select it. Next, now guys, here you will need to log in with your same account which you used to log in Azure. Okay, and now I have already logged in, and if you see, it says there are no existing instances of app service. So it's basically because the app service instance which we created in our last video, I have deleted it. So here let's create new instance. So I will say create a new instance. So first let's give name to our app service. So I will say our great HR app. So of course we have to select subscription resource group. And now guys, important thing, hosting plan, that is app service plan. So let's click on this new. Let's select location, that is region. So I will say Australia Central. And now we need to select this app service plan, that is size. So let's click on it. So as of now I will select this plan, that is B1. Okay, I will say OK, and here I will say create. So it will take a few minutes for this app service to get created, so let's wait. And here now let's say finish. So guys, we have not deployed our app in app service yet, right? Here you see it says ready to publish. So here now let's say publish. And guys, can you see this? It says publish succeeded, right? So, and it has restarted our web app as well. So let's open our browser and see guys, this is our web app which has been deployed in app service. And can you observe this URL? It says our great HR app dot azure websites.net. So this our great HR app, it is the name of app service which we just created, and we can see the correct contents as well, that is welcome to our HR app. And now let's see this app service in Azure portal as well. So we are in Azure portal and we are in this app services. So let's simply say refresh, and yes, we can see the app service which we just created. So let's open it. And here we can see this app service. Okay, and this is the app service plan linked with this app service, that is BE1, right? And now here if I click on browse, we should be able to navigate to our web application, and yes, we can see our web page.